Don't know when she decided it was over, that we'd been treading water for too long. Just know it was the first week in December. I came home to find she'd packed her bags and gone. I found a note beside her keys on the table, saying sorry, but I have to catch a train, and I'd rather chase my dreams instead of shadows. And I'm tired of cold grey Glasgow winter rain, sick and tired of cold grey Glasgow winter rain. So I called a cab to Central Station, searched the faces as they hurried for their trains, but I've never felt more hopeless than on Hope Street, standing in the cold grey Glasgow winter rain, standing in the cold grey Glasgow winter rain. I waited as the day dimmed and darkened, and the crowds of shoppers thinned and headed home, left me standing on the steps at Central Station, on Hope Street in the rain and all alone. I watched the last train pull from the platform. When they closed the gates, I knew that she had gone. So I turned my collar up against the weather, walked down Hope Street to Argyle and headed home, walked down Hope Street to Argyle and headed home. I'd spent the whole day standing at the station, searching faces as they hurried for their trains, but I've never felt more hopeless than on Hope Street, standing in the cold grey Glasgow winter rain, standing in the cold grey Glasgow winter rain. She called me from LA a few weeks later, embarrassed that she left it quite so long. Said she found a band that really liked her music and was working on an album of her songs. She asked, what's the weather like in Glasgow? I looked out the window at the pouring rain, smiled and laughed and said it's really warm and sunny. Won't you please come home to Glasgow once again? Won't you please come home to Glasgow once again? Not like the day I spent at Central Station, searching faces as they hurried for their trains, and I've never felt more hopeless than on Hope Street, standing in the cold grey Glasgow winter rain, standing in the cold grey Glasgow